Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Meks Journey here, PlannergirlMek on Instagram, and I'm coming to you with another Plan With Me March dashboard. You guys were loving the collab that I did with Shantae Plans. Thank you again, Tay, for doing that collab with me. And everyone gave me so much great feedback, and I was too excited to pull out my planner and start doing this dashboard again. This will be my last dashboard in this planner. Oh my god, I'm so sad. I do have one more month left. You see the little April tag just hanging on by a thread, and I was like, you know what, I'm ready. I'm ready to move into my next planner. And so, yeah, this will be the last one. I got this kit from TraLaLaStickers. I cannot remember off the top of my head what this kit is called. I will definitely put her name in. I'll definitely link the kit below. But it is a printable kit, and a lot of stuff comes with it. I just printed out what I needed. And yeah, so I pulled out my SimplyGilded washi tape, and I opened up a fresh one. I have a ton of SimplyGilded tape that I have never even opened, y'all. So when I saw this one, I was like, ooh, yes, a little pop of purple in there. Won't he do it? I really, really like that. So right now I am just laying down my foundation, and I am really in this, I love coming up with stuff on the fly. Like, I didn't plan this kit out. My last dashboard, I planned it out. I was like, okay, this is gonna go here, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. This one, I just totally I was winging it. And it was so relaxing and calming. There was no pressure. I was like, if it don't look good, I just won't post it. You know what I'm saying? But oh my goodness, you guys, I love this so much that I got a dot grid notebook, and I legit think that I will be doing a lot of planning this way. It was just so, I mean, it just did something to me. You ever found like a new style of planning? Like every time we change our styles all the time, y'all. This is what we do in the planner community. We be changing up stuff. But when you do it and you finish it and it looks good, you're like, oh snap, why didn't I do this before? But I just laid down that March header, and the font that I use for that, ooh, I think my planner bestie told me about that one. I think it's called Feather. It's from defont.com. It's free. I only use free fonts. Y'all don't come for me. It's free. There's a lot of free, amazing, beautiful fonts out there. But yes, I'm laying that down, and I laid down one of the flower bouquets from the kit, and I'm just getting the foundation, laid down. You guys, this turns out so pretty. But like I was saying, y'all know I be rambling. Just work with me. I'm really liking bullet journal style of planning, where you just have a blank slate. There's no template, there's no boxes. You can literally like start in the middle of your page and work your way out if you want to. Me, I start from the top, I go down, I lay a foundation, and then I just add elements. That's just my style. Even when I do my Plan With Me's on the computer, I have to lay my foundation down first, and then everything else just comes to me. And planning like this, I mean, it's freeing, y'all. I don't know how else to explain it, but it is. I actually, Tay inspired me from her Plan With Me that we did our collab with. She did her second page. Well, for the Plum planner, the second page, it's kind of hard to find a pin that you can use to write with it. It has like the 3 circles at the top, and you'll see it close to the end because I did plan that one. But I came up with a way to plan that side, and I was like, yes, leaving this planner with a bang, and gonna start the new one off with yes ma'am. So I'm really, really excited for you guys to see my second page. It's so cute and it just flows so beautifully. But I just laid down my school header and the birthday tracker. I'm about to lay down a goals there, and one of my goals, if you don't follow me on Instagram, sis, what's the problem? I mean, did I do something wrong? Links are down below, y'all. Follow your girl on Instagram. I post so much on Instagram. I'm trying to get better in the community posts for YouTube to post more things. And if I knew how to do YouTube stories, I would do it, but I don't know how to do it. So I do a lot on Instagram. PlannergirlMek. I am almost at my goal. I didn't think I would reach this goal until May, but I am so close to my 600 goal that I'm like, oh my goodness, I need to set a new goal for the end of the summer, because yeah, I think in Jesus' name, we're gonna pray on it that I will get 600 subscribers before my anniversary. My anniversary is May 9th. So if you are not following me on Instagram, please go hit that follow button. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I mean, girl, come on now. We be doing some cute stuff in here. This is an inspiration, help you plan your life channel. So go ahead and do that. But anywho, I just laid down my social media header and my Bible journal. And there I usually put down the verse that spoke to me the most that month. And I lay that down. Right now I'm putting down these cute little chocolate covered strawberries. And they are dipped in green. This was such a cute kit from TraLaLaStickers. I just put down the YouTube and Instagram headers. That's where I track where my YouTube and Instagram numbers are at the end of the month. And it lets me, I always go back to like February and say, ooh, where was I and where am I now? And it lets me know if I'm doing good, if I'm keeping traction, if I'm moving forward, if I'm reaching my goals. But yes. But oh my goodness, you guys, I did speed this up a little bit because this video is really long. I'm sorry. Parts of it is sped through really, really fast. But I am laying down more of these strawberries. I've done like little circles, dots before, but I really love incorporating clip art as elements of like notes. It's really, really good for me, for my brain and my creative brain and how I process everything, to just use different elements from the kits. And another thing that I love about printable stickers is you can print more than one. So I really, really love that. And here under the goals section, I'm just turning it, giving it a twist and shout type element, you know. Right now I am laying down the "With God All Things Are Possible" sticker from iconic Imperfections. She has a whole collection of Bible quotes and inspirational quotes in her shop. If you want to save some coins when you get those, put in Meek15 to save 15%. Won't he do it? You know, I'm always trying to save y'all some coins. But yes, I just laid down those. Are those tulips? Now, y'all know I ain't good with flowers. Y'all, we've established this, right? We know Meeks is not good at naming flowers. I'm just not. I think they're tulips. They could be lilies. I don't know. They're cute. And you guys see that huge cupcake up there? It was too big and it just took away from the look that so I just took it off. But it was really cute, but it just didn't flow with the way I wanted the page to come together. Y'all, look at this. And the only reason I didn't use mandalas in this kit is because I didn't have any silver ones. The washi tape that I use had silver bows, and normally I don't care about mixing metals, but the way this kit was just popping for me, the mandalas kind of would have overpowered it. So yeah, I just left them out. And right here, I am laying down under my goals an Etsy sticker icon from Iconics and Imperfections shop because I plan to reopen my sticker shop at the end of the month. Ah! Oh my goodness, I am so excited. It will be a Bible journal, planner journal, bullet journal type stickers for journaling. And yes, I won't be doing like full planner kits because it's just not my style of planning. I never use all of those stickers. I use bits and pieces of the elements. So those are the type of things that I will be doing, more along the lines of what I usually do in my Bible journal. Yes, so I'm done with this side of my dashboard, and I'm about to show you, but look how cute this is, y'all. Oh, it's my favorite one so far. I mean, look at that. Ah, it's so cute. But right now, I'm about to flip over and show you guys what I came up with for the other side of my page. Grabbing on inspiration from all of you ladies. So many of you tagged Shantae and I in your dashboard spreads and gave us inspiration. Thank you for that. And so it made me just say, you know what? The planner ladies in the community have inspired me. So let me go ahead and do this side because it is just, I just needed to do it. I had no idea what I was going to do, y'all. I literally was thinking of this off the top of my head while I was doing it. For real. I knew I could have ended the video, you know, with the other side if I needed to, if this didn't come out the way I wanted it to, but it came out really, really cute. So I took a sticker sheet and I placed it on top of the planner, and I just simply cut around and then just slowly laid it down on that page because it's made out of this glossy type material. It's like a dashboard, but I don't have anything that can write on that. So I took a sticker sheet and stuck it on top of that and then started working from there. So I went ahead and kept with the same colors. I used the same washi tape that I used on the dashboard. And I went ahead and used the rest of the stickers. I'm pretty much using the leftovers from the kit that I was using. But that purple bar underneath it was showing through. So I just kept with those same lines that they had. And I really liked it. It came out really good. Right now, I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do next. Laying down some more of those beautiful flowers. And I put Bible journal. So for this section, I decided that I was going to take my favorite verse from the scriptures that I, Bible journaled in the month of March. And I was going to take my favorite verse, the one that spoke to me the most, and I was going to write that complete verse out right there. I just really thought that was a great way to always, keep the word in my heart. I was taught that, writing it down and then reading it aloud is great ways to remember and to stay inspired with the Word of God, which is why I'm loving Bible journaling so much. It's really, really been inspirational to my life, and I just love that I get to share that with you all. I'm sorry if my voice is changing. I'm getting a little parched. Let me grab a drink. But right now I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with those stickers. I laid down the other two fashion dolls. It's the same girls, just one is only the top of her body showing and the other her full figure showing, and I like that. I could have used the other girl, but I liked the height that the other one was, so I did that. And now I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to do this. But this bottom section here is my self-care section. I have been trying to figure out a way to incorporate self-care into my planner spreads. And I'm so glad that I figured it out because, oh my goodness, y'all, I loved it. So I pulled out my silver gel pen that I use in my Bible journaling, and I just wanted to make those lines pop a little more. I didn't want them to be straight. I wanted them to be kind of rugged, so that's why I went over them a few times. But yeah, that top part next to the girl, I think I'm going to put a quote from a song from Jonathan McReynolds, because March is supposed to be all about luck, and I'm gonna put, I'm not lucky, I'm loved. But yes, 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 this video is coming to a close pretty soon, y'all. But yeah, I want to put I'm not lucky, I'm loved in that top part, so I'm gonna create a script and put it up there. This is what's left over from that kit. It's pretty much nothing, which is a great bonus to do this page because you're not left with any scraps. But y'all, look, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, it came out amazing. I'm so, so happy with the way this turned out, as this is the final dashboard in my Plum planner May, and oh my goodness, I absolutely love it. If you guys want to flip through of my planner, let me know, comment down below, send me a message on Instagram, and I will get that put together for you all. But yes, oh my goodness, I'm just talking about the different elements of the kits and what I wanted to do with it and how excited that I am that this came out. I mean, I said last month was my favorite because of February, but I honestly think that March dashboard is, I mean, look at this, y'all. I think this one is my favorite. But as we're coming to a close, I just want to send a shout out to my daddy. His birthday is on the 19th. Happy birthday, daddy. And everyone, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It truly, truly helps out my channel, and I truly appreciate you clicking on this video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful, blessed day, and I hope I've inspired you to do a beautiful dashboard. Okay, bye guys.